you're looking for that easy, natural makeup look, the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer just might be for you. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for new videos every week. A while ago, I was looking for an alternative to my foundation, something that would give me the easy, natural makeup look without having to apply my full face of foundation. I absolutely love the foundation that I use, but some days I just don't want to have to go through the whole entire process of putting on all of that makeup. I wanted something quick and easy, but would still look good. After doing a little bit of research online, I came across the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. So I decided to give it a try. I've been using it for about a month and a half now, and today I'm going to share my review of this product. First up, let's talk about the cost. You get 1.9 ounces of this tinted moisturizer for $45. Now this is a prestige brand, which means it is going to cost a little bit more money. So $45 might seem like kind of a lot of money, but I was pleasantly surprised whenever I got this bottle in the mail. I ordered it online, so I hadn't seen it in person. And you do get a pretty good amount of product in this bottle. Like I said, I've had it for about a month and a half, and I would say it's like 90% full. So there is a lot of product that you get for that amount of money. I can also see this lasting a really long time because a little bit of this product does go a long way. The color that I got in this tinted moisturizer is Groenland. It is a light color with peach undertones. Now this color is a little bit dark for me right now. I picked it out online, so I didn't get to swatch it to see how the color would look. It still blends in pretty nicely because the product is pretty thin, and it is the beginning of spring right now as I'm recording this. So as we get into the summer, my skin will get a little bit darker and match the color a little bit better. One of the things I really like about this tinted moisturizer is that it does have SPF in it. It has SPF 30 in it, and it's always a good practice to use a makeup that has SPF in it. I like to try to pick my primers or my foundations with an SPF. That way when you are outside, those harsh sun rays are not damaging your skin. So that's a nice thing with this tinted moisturizer. It also smells pretty nice. A lot of makeup products that have SPF in them can tend to smell like sunscreen, and this one doesn't. It just has a nice light smell. It doesn't smell like sunscreen. It doesn't smell too makeup-y or like it has a lot of chemicals in it. It's just nice and light. Another thing that I love about this product is that it is oil-free. This is something that is very important to me, and as I was trying to find a tinted moisturizer, this is part of what I was looking for. I have oily skin, so if I use a product that has oil in it, it will usually break out my face. So I really love that this is oil-free, and I haven't noticed any issues with using this on my face, and I have been using it on just about a daily basis over the past month and a half. And because it is oil-free, it doesn't have a greasy feeling to it. I have used some other tinted moisturizers and BB creams that had a super oily feel and really felt like I had to put some powder on it to set it. I don't really feel that way with this tinted moisturizer. It doesn't look oily or feel oily on my skin. I do tend to set it a little bit with just a makeup setting spray. That way I know it's not going anywhere. It's also really easy to apply. I just apply this tinted moisturizer with my fingers and blend it in with my fingers as well. Like I said, I was looking for something that would be super quick and easy to apply. So the fact that I don't have to break out my makeup sponge or a bunch of different brushes in order to apply this product is really nice. I just put it on my fingertips and blend it across my face. Now, one tip I would say is that a little bit does go a long way. I wouldn't put a ton on when you are first trying this out. I would start with less than you think that you need, and then you can always add more. It is very pigmented, probably more pigmented than other tinted moisturizers and BB creams that I have tried. So I did find in the beginning that sometimes I would put way too much on. So start with a little bit, kind of spread it around across your face, and then add little bits as you need it. Most days I just use this tinted moisturizer with a little bit of concealer, eyeliner, mascara, and then fill in my brows. It takes about 5 minutes to do, and then I'm good to go for the rest of the day. Other days when I'm doing some more or going out of the house, I will add a little bit more makeup. So in addition to my concealer, eyeliner, mascara, filling in my eyebrows. I'll also add a little bit of eyeshadow, some blush, and some highlighter, and maybe a little bit of lipstick or lip gloss. And that is the look that I have on today. Either way I do it, it only takes a few minutes to apply, and I have quick and easy natural looking makeup. I do feel like this tinted moisturizer alone gives your skin a natural glow. Because it is pretty thin, it doesn't look like you have a lot of makeup on your face, but it still looks really nice. Even on the days that I don't add blush and highlighter, I feel like it still gives a nice glowy look that brings some brightness to your face. And even though this product is pretty sheer, I do feel like it also evens out my skin tone. When I'm not wearing makeup, I do have some spots on my face that tend to be a little bit more red or splotchy, and whenever I'm using this tinted moisturizer, I feel like that goes away. The pigmentation in this product really evens everything out and gives you that nice no makeup look. I'm also really impressed with how long this tinted moisturizer lasts throughout the day. I can put this on in the morning, and then late at night whenever I'm taking off my makeup, I will still have product on my face. Whenever I'm using my makeup wipes to remove my makeup and I'm looking at it, there is still a lot that is coming off. So I was very impressed with this, that it is lasting so long, especially since most of the time I'm just kind of giving it a light spray with my Milani makeup setting spray. I'm not caking it on or putting powder on my face, so I was very pleasantly surprised at how long this product was lasting, which is a lot more than I can say for some of the other sheer coverage makeup products that I have tried in the past. I have switched to using this tinted moisturizer just about every day as opposed to my favorite foundation. It is so easy to apply and just takes a couple minutes, and I love the natural looking glow that it gives my skin. So just about 99% of the time I'm going to reach for this tinted moisturizer over my favorite foundation. It's easily my favorite makeup product right now, and since you get so much in the bottle and a little bit goes a long way, I think that it is totally worth the initial investment. If you want more beauty product reviews, click right here for my beauty review playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.